Come test drive the 2019 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.